Hey guys, it's me Kimberly. Let me show you how we go from drab to fab. For the lighting, we chose a great big huge brand new chandelier that is 48 inches long with a lot of crystals going horizontally, and then we're going to duplicate that look with 2 wall sconces on either side. On the wall beside the wall sconces, we did 9 mirrors. We hung them 6 inches above the credenza and 4 inches apart each. These mirrors are available on our online store. Also on this credenza, instead of putting something on the sides now, we wanted to put something in the middle because I already had things flanking the sides with the wall sconces. We did 2 super high, long, beautiful sculptures, 1 man, 1 woman, with some floral arrangement beside to balance it off. Those ceilings were super high and we wanted our eye to always go up. On the other credenza, we did a great big beautiful piece of art. It is meant to go horizontal, but because we get our signatures done on an angle, we can do them vertical, so I encourage you to do that. So 2 lamps on the credenza with 2 sets of candle holders. Those candle holders are available in our online shop. They come in a set of 3 that's already together, and all we did was interlock them in so it looked like one big beautiful set of candle holders. When you're doing a room like this, you don't want too many little things all over the place. It just kind of makes me crazy. You need like big, beautiful, bold accessories. On the dining table, we did a really long gold boat, super long, 48 inches, with a ton of peonies inside. And that's it for that space. That's all we needed. Perfect. So now we're going to do black mirrors for on top of that credenza, really funky. They go in and out. They're available online. They're called the Canute mirrors. They come in black and in gold. They're my favorite right now. And a big black piece of art, black matting, very striking against that light colored wall with a light washed out frame. I absolutely love that. And for the dining table, we chose a black bowl on a pedestal with some green and black foliage inside. And on that accent wall right below the staircase, we did 2 object pieces of art. And you guys know how I feel about object art. It's absolutely beautiful. Mix it up a bit. Yeah, we could have done mirrors again, but why do that? Object art is where it's at right now. We staggered them. It's fun, it's interesting, it's modern, and I feel it ties in that whole room together. In front of the mirrors on the credenza, we put a lamp, a nice smoky gray black lamp, and then a black little piece of, I don't know what it's called, but it's just cute. It's cool. It's like a little piece of bark. And then 2 candle holders to balance off the lamp with some candles. And that's it. That's all we needed to complete this space. So when you're designing small spaces, you really need a floor plan. If you don't have software, then get 1/4 inch scale drawing paper and make sure that you have 3 feet to pull out all your dining chairs. This is super important. You should plan for future if you're going to put chairs on either ends of the head of the table. And credenzas are always nice to ground a space, so I sincerely recommend them in dining rooms. I truly believe you should live in rooms you love. Watch our videos and we'll show you how we take our projects to the next level. If you like what you see in these videos, please like, comment, and follow, and let me know what you'd like to see next time. If you have a space that you would like to get done, don't forget to sign up for our free design program.